Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Kate here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can register for Progressive Insurance online account. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, if you're on your desktop, open any web browser that you prefer and then on the URL search for progressive.com. Once you press enter, you will be directly directed to this official site of Progressive, and in here at the top right corner of your screen you will see login, so click on login. Now again at the left side of your screen a login dialog box will appear. So at the bottom of that box you will see new user, here is register for an account. So click on register. Since we are creating our new account, we are registering on Progressive. Now on the next page you will find this form where you have to fill up your policy number and then your last name and also your date of birth and then your mailing zip code. Once you're done with that, simply click on continue, and after that you have to provide more further details of yourself, and again you have to complete an verification process. Once you're done with that, you will be able to create your Progressive online insurance account. That's all for today, and if you are new to our channel, do subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next time.